Restoring sending privileges on your American Express account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you regain those privileges. Step 1. Review account status. Check your American Express account for any notifications or alerts regarding your sending privileges. This will help you understand the reason for the restriction. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number provided on the back of your card. Explain your situation and ask for assistance in restoring your sending privileges. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may require you to complete specific actions or provide additional documentation to restore your privileges. Step 5. Confirm restoration. Once you have followed the necessary steps, confirm with the representative that your sending privileges have been restored. It may take some time for the changes to reflect in your account, so check back after a few days. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again for further assistance.